Hello guys, today I want to show you a program that I created. It's called Video Creator. You have this link here. And what I want to do is like creating a video for YouTube. It's gonna be really fast. And by this program that I created, I want to show you how to do it. So first of all, we choose a title for the video, the halving impact of BTC. Let's approve it. And now this is the video properties. First thing is the video time. We can choose the time that we want. Let's say it's going to be 5 minutes. And then let's choose the topics of the video. For example, like what makes the BTC a good investment is the first thing. And the second one, uh, what is going to happen in the following. So this is the two topics that I want to talk about in the video. Now we choose what type of music we want. Let's choose motivation. Yeah, motivation. Let's choose the voiceover to be male. And then let's copy the description. And we go to this link, AI in video. This is the program that I'm using in order to create a video with AI. We paste what we copied before. And we click here to generate the video. I will not do that because I already generated it. Now we go back to the program, we click upload to YouTube, and then it's gonna open this section. Now what I want to do is I want to upload my file. So we do that, and when I go by the instruction, now we put the description. How we put it, we go here and then get description 100 words. Let's click here and we paste what's inside the copy that we have. Because the program is give you the test sentence that you want, that you need to send to the ChatGPT, and now it's gonna generate an answer for us. When it's finished, we copy that and we go back to the YouTube channel. That's it. Let's copy it. Let's go to the YouTube channel. We paste it and then go next. Okay, adding tags. Wait, I want to put some stuff. Wait. Now we go to thumbnail. Okay, we don't have a thumbnail yet. So we go back and let's get an image. We go back to the ChatGPT. We paste this line. Please create thumbnail image to the YouTube channel with the title of ta. Now it's gonna create. And while it's creating, let's go to the vid tags generator. This is a website that we put the title that we want for the video, and it's gonna be generating a tags for us. Now we can choose one of those. Let's try copy all. I don't know what effect it's gonna do, but let's do it. Where is the keys? Add tags. So we add everything. And that's it. And now we want to go to the thumbnail. Let's see if it's finished. Yes, it's finished. The halving impact. This is a nice image. Let's download it, open the location, and now we choose the image PNG. And that's it. Basically, we're pretty done. Let's go next. It's gonna upload it now. Make it public, publish. Let's go back. 2 minutes 40 seconds. This is the finish time. And see how simple is it with this program. So I put this link in my YouTube channel as well, so you can all use this program.